Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming essentials: billing, linked Gmail, and two-step verification. That keeps your account stable. Next, pick one campaign goal: sales, leads, or traffic, because focus drives optimization. Once decided, set a daily budget that you can sustain for 14-30 days and prepare creative. 3-5 headlines, 1 description, final URL, and the audience segments you will target. Make sure conversion tracking plan is ready. Without it, you'll drive traffic without learning which ads work. Now you build structure. Pick the campaign type that matches your goal. Search for intent, display for awareness, video for engagement, or performance max for automation. Then create tightly themed ad groups. Each should hold 5-15 keywords or creative assets so Google can learn quickly. Once ad groups are set, choose bidding, manual CPC for control or smart bidding for conversions. Then refine targeting, locations, languages, ad schedule, and audience signals. Finally, attach your conversion action so bidding optimizes the right outcome. Launch when you have 2-3 ads per ad group and a tracking tag firing. Start monitoring CTR, CPC, and conversion rate from day one. Once running, optimize weekly. Pause low performers, add negative keywords, refine ad copy, and adjust bids or budgets based on value. If performance stalls, troubleshoot systematically. Verify billing, check for policy violations, confirm conversion tags fire, and inspect audience overlap, which can cannibalize spend. Make changes one at a time so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.